How to set up printing on 2 pages per sheet in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word. Click on the file at the top left corner. Once you click on it, on the left hand side you see a menu. Simply go to Print. Make sure you have chosen Print All Image option. Then after, also toggle on the feature of print one-sided, and at the bottom you see the option of 1 page per sheet. Click on it and from the option choose the option of 2 pages per sheet. And that's it. Once you make these changes in your setting of printing, you will be able to print 2 pages per sheet from your doc. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.